So Josh's car is being sent off to roasting this morning, and gonna record the pickup and drop off to roasting. Got Ashley driving, she's really like shitting absolute bricks. Apparently this company doesn't like low cars, so we'll see how this goes. This Uber driver's like, what the actual fuck is going on? So she's up. She's on. No, it's all good. No, she's all good. She's up. Ash is probably shitting her pants then. She's like, I don't think she really likes driving this thing too much.
It's turned off, so that's just the leftovers.
Oh god. That one's alright.
It's just that one. It's been like that the whole time he's been on.
I'm so fucking tired. So tired. Woke up with my alarm at 6:30 and then fell back asleep. And the car's getting picked up now, which is like 8 o'clock. And I woke up at 7:45. So I had to fucking fly down here. But yeah, now to follow the car to roasting.
Yeah, the sunroof. How we going?
Anything for the shot.
That's it. That guy's probably like, what the fuck is happening?
Hello, cutie.
Hey, baby.
You excited? He hates your fucking low car. That's it. And he like had to crouch down to try and get to the very end.
Yeah, bye bye. Dude, I fucking woke up at 6:30
He slept in.
and woke up again at fucking 7:45, and then like a second later Ash texts me, are you almost here and shit?
A little scab, but just kind of...
Dude, he's like a kid in a candy store.
I told him
He's
not
like
to wear Tommy.
he's
his
like-
fucking shirt, it's so baggy.
he's like running.
Oh,
Josh
wait,
is like a
no,
kid that
that's
we've
like-
just like told the Easter eggs are out in the backyard, and he's like, fucking where? Oi, the truck almost scraped, brus. This is adorable to watch. But yeah, so Josh is getting this done at Roasting Garage, and they're kind of new, kind of been around for a little bit here on the Gold Coast. They just do a lot of Holden HSV LS engine work and all that. So they're swapping an LS. What LS are you putting into it? LS2
L98.
into his car. An L98 engine. I have no idea about these engines. I know LS3s, but not like the 2s and shit. So there's a few cool cars here. But let's go. What? So GTS Maloo, that's caged. Holy shit. That's insane. This is fucking dope. Holy shit. That's insane. That's straight insane.
When you come back.
I expect more.
She's gonna be a naughty girl when it comes back. We need plenty of naughties to happen with it.
Oh, there you go.
Dude, that VL was insane. I like the perfect thumbnail too at your house with the fucking tow truck with the car half on it. Trying to think like how clickbait do we go with the title? Like Josh is going to jail, car impounded.
Honestly, just do that.
Yeah, so that's kind of that. Just a small vlog of the car getting dropped off to roasting to get the LS2 done.
Wait,
Bye bye.
Bye-bye, you fucking piece of shit.
Bye bye, you piece of shit. Wee. Alright guys, that pretty much takes us to the end of today's video. It's just a small one, just a little video of dropping off Josh's car to get the LS2 swapped into it. I'll try and go to roasting again throughout the process and update you guys whilst it's being done. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, subscribe and comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Also, how groovy is this guy? Reckon you could tip it in?